Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the BISSELL CleanView Swivel Upright Bagless Carpet Cleaner. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: Triple Action Brush Roll. A triple helix brush roll, the 2252 works a lot better at loosening, lifting, and removing embedded dirt particles and strands of pet hair from medium and high pile carpeting than ever before. The brush roll bristles rotate gently on all surfaces, leaving tile and hardwood floors in perfect shape without leaving ugly scratches and gashes. Scatter-free cleaning. The BISSELL CleanView Swivel Pet comes with two unpowered side brushes that prevent dirt from scattering all over the place. They ensure that every piece of dust in the vacuum's path stays in place for the suction inlet and triple action brushes to pick up and remove permanently. Edge-to-edge cleaning. The side brushes also work well at bringing dirt from the sides into the suction inlet. This allows you to move the 2252 along edges and in corners, so no speck of dirt is left unsuctioned. Swivel neck. Like most uprights, the 2252 uses a swivel neck that lets you roll the vacuum cleaner in between and below furniture, so no part of your floors are left unvacuumed. Though a handy feature, we find that the bulky design of the 2252 makes it quite cumbersome to navigate in tight spaces, so we rely heavily on the suction hose and vacuum attachments to clean hard-to-reach areas. Multi-cyclonic filtration. Using a multi-cyclonic suction system that separates large from small, keeping the fine mesh filter as free of debris as possible for longer-lasting high-quality suction performance. Washable filter. The multi-cyclonic filter system is removable from the 2252 and washable under a faucet. When the vacuum cleaner eventually loses suction power, simply detach the filter from the system and wash. Large dustbin. The 2252 has the capacity to hold onto as much as 1 liter of dirt, hair, and other particles it manages to remove from carpets and smooth floors. The large dustbin lets you work longer during each cleaning session before needing to empty the bin out. A truly convenient feature to have, especially if your home's floors are several hundreds of square feet wide. Pros: scatter-free technology saves time. 27-foot power cord and 6-foot extendable hose. Features powerful triple-action brush roll for easy pet hair pickup. Swivel steering allows reaching hard-to-reach spots quite effectively. Easy empty dirt bin at the bottom makes emptying junks and debris. Easily detachable and washable filter for long-lasting suction power. Cons: pet hair may get caught in brushes. Hard to get under low furnishings.